Hi everyone, I'm Obi, an engineer on Fin, and I'd love to share what I've been working on with you. So we realized that our customers require a lot more granular control over how Fin speaks and how it handles conversations. In response to this, we've been building out a really powerful guidance feature that lets customers tweak Fin's communication styles, how to deal with conversations that might have exceptions, and also any general purpose guidelines specific to you and your business. Let's take a look at an example and see how this is set up. So in this example, I'll be playing the role of an e-commerce store that sells sporting goods. And first of all, I would like to coach Fin on how to respond to customers that might be expressing some frustration or annoyance with the service. First of all, I'd like Fin to acknowledge their emotion, and I'd like for it to also respond to them with empathetic language. I already typed out a handy prompt that will do exactly that. I'm just going to copy and paste that in here. Next up, when customers reach out about any products that they might be having issues with or might have questions about, I'd like for Fin to clarify exactly what product they're referring to before it goes ahead to provide any more information. Similarly, I also have a prompt typed out there, and I'm going to paste that in. The next up, in cases where customers might reach out about returns, for instance, I might want that to be handed over to a team to have a deeper look into. But it would be really neat if Fin could upfront ask the customers for their order ID so that we already have this downstream when we're dealing with this issue. Similarly, I'm going to copy and paste that in just like before. Lastly, if I had any other general purpose guidelines that I would want Fin to accommodate or to use when it's answering questions, for instance, in this example, I might have some products that are out of stock and I want Fin to just tell the customers just that when they ask about those products. Cool. Now that I've set up all of my guidance, the really cool thing is that before I set this live, I can go ahead and preview what a customer would see right here before setting them live. I already have a question typed out. In this question, I'm going to be role-playing a customer that is quite frustrated with a bike that they've purchased. It didn't come with a manual and they would want to return it. So what's happening right now is that Fin is not only looking through all of my content sources as it's trying to answer my question, but it's also going to learn and apply all of the guidance that I've added whilst it's responding to this customer's query to give the best possible answer that it can. So as we can see in Fin's response back, it gave me an answer trained on our new guidance. You can see that Fin is acknowledging my emotions. And it's also asking for another ID in order to process the return before escalating to the team. So that's guidance. It's super powerful. It's very easy to set up and we'll be shipping to an open beta soon. Thanks for watching.